Bridget Rose, you're in the cabbage and collard green patch. How's everything looking? We've had some pretty cold weather, some frost, quite a bit of frost, but those cabbages are holding up nicely. As long as a certain someone in a yellow jacket doesn't pull them out. Do you know who I'm talking about? What'd you find? All these leaves in here. Uh-oh, I got a stick too. Ungar, ungar, ungar. You want it? Whoa! Look at all those beautiful cabbages behind you. Well, those are Brussels sprouts behind you. Cabbage in front of you and collards next to you. So these collard greens are looking pretty good. I have to pull some out and make some greens tonight. I'm missing that. All right, we can go look at the next part of the garden tour. Someone I hear hasn't taken a nap and looks like she might be falling asleep here in the garden.